Here's how you can make videos that look like this using a mobile app called InShot. Now let's get started. Tap on Video, New, and then choose your video clip. Tap on Canvas and make sure you choose the square 1:1 ratio. And now we'll try to trim the video down.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
So there are pauses at the beginning and the end. We want to get rid of those. Play the video, stop it when necessary. Tap on the video clip and drag the ends towards the playhead.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
Do it for the end as well. Let's do a quick test.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
Next, we'll do the background. So just tap on background. I've downloaded an image from unsplash.com and it automatically just fills up the background. Next, we'll add in the title. So I just type in my title. Let's call it social media video. I'll choose a font. You can change the color, you can change the format of it. And I'll resize it and put it at the top. Make sure your title layer covers the entire length of the clip. So tap on your title layer and make sure it goes to clip end or video end. Up next, we'll do the subtitles. So I just play through the video and stop when necessary and type the subtitle.
Hi, I'm Kenneth.
I'm going to change the font and make it smaller. Once done, I'll duplicate the subtitle layer. And I'm stretching it to the end of the clip because that's the entire length of the clip. And I'll change the text. Now let's have a look.
Hi, I'm Kenneth, and this is a sample video clip.
Alright, so it looks good. I'll go to tap Save in the top right hand corner and then save again. And we're done.